The much-anticipated Pebble 2 Duo is finally making its way into mass production, and the excitement surrounding this revival is palpable. The company has officially announced that the Pebble 2 Duo, a revamped version of the original Pebble 2, is now in the manufacturing phase, with units expected to ship later this month. However, before you get too excited, there are some important details to keep in mind regarding the watch's waterproof capabilities and overall design. After revealing plans for a full Pebble revival back in March 2025, the team has been working tirelessly to prepare for shipping. According to Eric Migakowski, the founder of Pebble, the wait for customers is almost over, and the first units should be on their way soon. The production process for the Pebble 2 Duo is projected to take about 2 months to reach the desired quantity of units. For those who pre-ordered early, you can expect to receive your watches around mid-September, although there has been a slight delay. If you placed your order a bit later, your Pebble 2 Duo might arrive towards the end of September, while those in the Batch 2 category should anticipate shipping in October. Keep in mind that this timeline does not include the additional week it may take for the watches to be delivered from the warehouse to your doorstep. In this latest update, Pebble has shared some crucial information about the Pebble 2 Duo, which was previously referred to as the Core 2 Duo. The company initially aimed for a water resistance rating of IPX8, and while they haven't confirmed if this will be the final rating, the watch is designed to withstand submersion in water up to 20 meters deep. However, it's essential to note some key reminders from Pebble regarding the watch's use in water. The company emphasizes that the Pebble 2 Duo is not intended to be a dive watch and should not be submerged for extended periods. Additionally, exposure to hot or high-pressure water, such as that from a typical shower head, can compromise the adhesive used to ensure its water resistance, potentially leading to damage. When it comes to battery life, the Pebble 2 Duo currently boasts around 2 weeks of usage on the existing software version. The company has plans to enhance this to approximately 4 weeks with future updates. Furthermore, Pebble has mentioned that changing the included basic strap is a straightforward process, allowing users to customize their watch easily. Regarding shipping costs, there is a tariff charge of $8.42 included in the shipping confirmation, but customers will not face any additional fees once the watch is on its way. In summary, the Pebble 2 Duo is set to start shipping in mid-September for those who placed Batch 1 orders. If you're one of the eager customers waiting for your Pebble 2 Duo, how do you feel about the upcoming release? Are you excited, or do you have concerns about the watch's water resistance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.